Goeiemiddag dames en heren, dis op Japie op Radio Draadloos. Ons praat rugby, Springboks versus Italy. Ja, who's gonna be first in line? Kyk, om Japie, I'm saying, you know, this morning I read my text, Luke 14. Verse 11, whoever exalt themselves is going to be humbled, and whoever is humble is going to be exalted. And today, is it going to be the case? Well, I say any team can beat the Springboks. You don't have to dominate in front, as long as you can match them up front. I mean, Japan have showed us to a certain extent, Italy have shown us before, Australia have shown us before, France have shown us they can do it for 60 minutes. As long as you don't allow them in your 22 in the last 15-20 minutes. But you know, the Springboks are actually the best team we've ever seen in history. You know, we've got so much depth, and I think Rassie, that doesn't stand for race, it stands for Radical Association in e-sport. He's in the comfort zone, and I'm so glad. And I want to congratulate Tony Brown with his backline influence. At last we have Ethan Hooker at centre. He's actually an outside centre. In my view, outside centre is there to do the running work, and I would rather play Estraser and Damian Willemse at inside centre. That to me, with Moody and Ethan Hooker as outside centres, is a perfect combination. But be it as it may, I'm excited to see what the two centres are going to do today. And don't underestimate Italy. You know, they've got a brilliant backline. I think they fly off their centres and their fullback. Oh, they're going to show us something today. Can they mix our forwards? Time will tell. But may the best team win. I see Morne van der Berg, who almost kicked Harley David's ass. He's back at number 9. Quick hands. I love him. And then obviously with our bench, R.G. Snyman, Grant Williams, Manny Lubbock, Kwagga Smith. Really, Italy is up for something, né? Enjoy the game. En dan wil ek net sê, dankie vir Arie daar van Redemption, Fine Leather in Wellington, wat vir my hierdie lekker leerskoene geborg het. Jy's eyster my vriend. En dan, alles loop reg. Altyd reg. Toyota. Keep it real, né? Windhoek Lager. Met Aisha.